The benefits of using money-saving coupons. One great irony of life is that people find it so easy to spend money and yet, they find it doubly hard to save money. Almost 80% of the consumers, according to some surveys, tend to spend their money easily and find it hard to save even just 10% of their income or any amount of their earnings. They always insist that they have more expenses than they can handle. That is why it is so hard for them to really create a hefty amount for savings. What people do not know is that they can easily save more money even on their daily expenses if they just know how to do it. The point is that if they were really wise consumers, they would definitely take advantage of freebies and discount items that can absolutely cut their expenses almost in half. One of the best examples is the utilization of money-saving coupons. The problem is that many people are still not aware of the benefits that money-saving coupons can give. They contend that these freebies just offer such a little amount of money and that they can be better off without it. Therefore, for those who are not yet fully aware of the benefits they can derive from these money-saving coupons and what they can do in order to save more money, here is a list of some of tips on how to use these coupons for a cause. 1. Look for the right places. If you are not yet aware of the right places where you can get excellent money-saving coupons, try to look in your local newspaper, especially the Sunday editions. It's one of the best places where you can get discount coupons. Usually, different establishments provide discount coupons to entice consumers to buy their products. That's why they use the paper to distribute their freebies. 2. Shop online. Online businesses also provide money-saving coupons. What people do not know is that online discount coupons provide more money-saving percentage than what the newspapers can give. Best of all, it is so easy to accumulate discount coupons. All you have to do is to sign up for the online business and you can easily get some of their freebies. 3. Coupons are great money savers. The very advantage of money-saving coupons is that they can cut your bill to almost 50%. Indeed, using money-saving coupons can definitely save you more money than what you have expected. So, for those who do not know this yet, try to cut more coupons and start saving. Click link below for more information.